Alright, so here's the car idle. You can see down there, maybe you can, I don't know. No muffler. And I fixed all the exhaust leaks, so this is what it sounds like now. Here's a little bit more closer to the hood, and this is where you can hear the internals, I would say, a lot louder. I don't know if it shows up on video or what.